Hey guys, just want to show you how you can join Google Meets. So I've made a Google Meets link for each period that's a little bit different. Where you can find that is if you go under classwork, of course under COVID-19. If you look somewhere in that list, it might be in a different location for different classes, but you'll see Google Meets link. So you'll click on that and there will be a link. So for period 4, it looks like this. It might look something different for the different periods because it's a different link, but you will click that. It will bring you here. It'll say getting you ready. Camera will start up and you will put join now, and it may or may not say no one else is here. I should be there, but you'll click join now and that will be it. Okay, so let me know if you have any trouble joining or anything like that, but that is all.